This food is the gift of the whole universe, the earth, the sky, and loving hands. Let's enjoy thankfully and vow to offer understanding and love to all beings.
Dear friends, the practice of eating meditation or mindful eating is a very deep practice of feeling gratitude. Our teacher Thai has often said that if we live in a spirit of gratitude, there will be much happiness in our life. A person who doesn't have gratitude finds it difficult to be happy. By practicing mindful eating, we can feel gratitude for our body and for the fact that we have the food to eat. And it is also a good opportunity for us to connect with life. We feel gratitude to the food, to the farmers, and to those who transport the food, and to many elements and conditions that supporting our life. You can choose your favorite place or a peaceful corner at your home for you to sit and enjoy your meals. If you like, you can also decorate a little bit of your space with some flowers, a green plants, or leaves, and to put a text of 5 contemplations before eating, you can download and print it out. If the weather outside is nice, you can choose to eat outside to be with the nature. So before you start to eat, you like to sit beautifully and relax. Take time to settle our mind, to put aside our projects, our thinking, our worries, or whatever you feel or you deal with at the moment. Just reserve this moment to enjoy the present moment by mindful eating, to calm our mind and body, to be fully present in the here and now. And then you can read the 5 contemplations, or if you inspire, you may want to write your own contemplations. After that, we begin to eat. Chew our food slowly and gently until it becomes soft and liquid enough, so it is easier for our digestive system to absorb the nutrition from the food. Eating in this way also an expression of love and care for our body. During eating, when we recognize our mind start to wander around, and when we start to think, we can stop our thinking and bring back our mind to the present moment by bringing our attention to the taste of each bite of the food, to the texture of the food, or a fragrance of the food. Just chew our food, not our thinking or projects. If you are eating with your family or friends, all of you may take a few moments at the beginning of the meal to just eat in silence together before having a conversation. During a busy day, when you cannot eat your meal in this way, you can apply this way of mindful eating and tasting the food while enjoying some fruits or a cookie or a piece of chocolate. When we finish eating, we take a few moments to just appreciate our practice of mindful eating, that offering the energy of gratitude, love, compassion, and peace to ourselves, to the people around us, and to the world. We wish you a beautiful practice of mindful eating. Enjoy your meal in mindfulness. Bon appétit.